Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my new video. Let's talk about DNA and RNA. What is DNA? It's basically deoxyribonucleic acid. What about RNA? It's basically ribonucleic acid. Well, nucleic acids, DNA and RNA are basically made up of nucleic acids. What are nucleic acids? They are basically macromolecules that occur in all living things as well as in viruses. All right, uh, they basically carry the genetic information, uh, and then and they are basically made up of nucleotides. All right, and these nucleotides are characteristics for each gene. Remember, we talked about a gene, which is a part of the DNA, which is found in a chromosome. Okay. So this nucleotide sequence is a characteristics for each gene. What is a nucleotide? It's basically made of three things, which are nitrogenous base, sugar, and phosphate, right? So the nitrogenous base is going to be A or T or C or G, okay? And the sugar is always going to be ribose sugar, which is made up of five member rings, right? Five member rings. Don't remember that sugar has a formula of CnH2nOn, okay? And additionally a phosphate. All right. What about RNA, which is ribonucleic acid? It's made up of the same stuff, but U instead of T. Okay, and DNA is named deoxyribonucleic acid because there is in the carbon number two absence of oxygen group. All right, guys. In the position number two, there is absence of oxygen group. That's why it's named deoxyribonucleic acid. And what about RNA? There is the presence of oxygen group. That's why it's called ribonucleic acid. Okay, and the presence of oxygen group in RNA makes it susceptible to hydrolysis, meaning that it's more reactive, guys. RNA is more reactive than DNA. It can make different shapes, like it can make stuff like intramolecular pairing. Remember, RNA is single stranded, so it can make something called intramolecular pairing, resulting in different shapes. Other kinds of RNA, like mRNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA. Okay, but DNA is stable. It's definitely so much stable. It can't make shapes. It's stable. It's a double stranded. It's located in the nucleus, right? Uh, what about RNA? RNA has different types. Like the messenger RNA is located, is synthesized in the nucleus, and then it will going to be transferred to the cytoplasm. Okay, for that the synthesis of proteins. What about other kind like tRNA is used helps the protein synthesis, and other type like for example small nuclear RNA, small interfering RNA. This stuff play a role in regulating of the gene expression. Remember the messenger RNA is going to be a will follow some process of maturation. So they play a role in regulation for for its maturation, right? To get a mature messenger RNA. And yeah, and remember that DNA can be identified using using an agent. For example, named ethidium bromide, right? Ethidium bromide basically is toxic, so it's actually going to be negative thing. And about RNA, well, it can be identified by something that's not toxic, like something called cybergreen. Okay, this agent is not toxic like ethidium bromide, which is better for the absorption of RNA under a microscope, of course. Okay, and that's all about the basic informations of DNA and RNA. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you for listening. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.